If you want to make music like Biggie Smalls, Miley Cyrus, Elvis Presley, you have to check out this AI tool. Yo, what's up guys? Back with another AI video, and today I'm going to be talking about UDIO AI. It's an AI tool that helps you generate super realistic songs in seconds. So enough talking, let's go check it out. Step one is you want to head over to UDIO.com. That is UDIO.com. Step two, this is the homepage you're going to see. You want to head over to sign in and make a free account. You can use your Google, Discord, or sign in with Twitter or X. Once you make your free account, you can go ahead and scroll through here. These are some previously generated songs from other users that you can take a listen to. You can sort it by categories: pop, jazz, hip hop, electronic. On the side here, you can see your creations. Obviously, I just made the account, so I don't have any. You can see any songs that you've liked before. So it's sort of like a bare bones, kind of like a Spotify kind of thing. So at the top here, if you want to make a song, this is where you would enter your prompt. So the prompt I'm going to start with is a 90s rap song about a kid who grew up in the streets of New York City. And let's see what it gives us. After about 15 to 30 seconds, it gave me 2 songs. Let's see how they sound.
I confess what I've been through, cause I wanna break free. Spin that grimy beat of the NYC, that echo through the concrete. Bring that rhythm to the streets that raised me. Spin that, cause I wanna break free. Spin that heart of the city, the pulse so pretty. Blasting through the skyline, breathe that tale of the blocks that frame me. Let that anthem ring, repeat with team.
What's good? Life lessons in the hood that shaped me. The street corners, classroom, reality not make believe. Which block? 3 blocks from crack rocks to pit stops. Yeah, I seen the plot unfold in the melting pot. Gritty to the core. Survival's what I'm living for, like those before me. Not quitting's what I'm spitting for. You pick me to lay my truth on this hard knock run.
Damn. Oh, pause. AI did that one. That last one, it was tough. I liked it. All right, and now we're going to try out a different genre. Let's see, let's try some 2000 pop. This is the prompt I'm going to give it. 2000 pop song about a girl who got stood up. Let's see what it gives me. And these are the 2 songs it gave me. Let's see the first one.
Waited here, just stood there too. Left alone, I'm without you. Underneath the street lights glare. Empty heart, but you don't care. Now it's just me standing here. Underneath the street light clear.
Okay, that's not bad. That's not bad.
Standing here alone, I'm waiting for you. Yeah, watching the door, and I'm still hoping you'll walk through. If you only knew. No.
It's not bad. Like I said, not bad at all. I'm not really into pop music like that, I guess you could say, or specifically 2000 pop, so it ain't really draw my attention, but still pretty good. Like the vocals, the beats, like it's valid. So for the last prompt, we're gonna try out something that's way out of my realm, never heard of, but actually I've heard of him because I guess Elvis Presley, but we're gonna try out 50s rock. And for that one, the prompt we're gonna use is produce a 50s rock and roll hit. Nice and simple. I don't know much about that genre besides, like I said, Elvis Presley. If I think he's from that era, I hope I'm not wrong. Please don't crucify me in the comments. But yes, let's see what it makes. This is what it gave us.
but he was a rebel man. All the guys around him say he's got it rolling, but he struts as best he can. Yeah. Oh, shake on, shake on.
Everybody feels a groovy tune. Everybody grab your dancing shoes. Oh yeah. She's got a notion. Everybody's in the swing of right.
I don't know. I think it did great with all these songs, specifically the rap one and the beginning. I'm not too familiar with rock and roll, so let me know down in the comments if you listen to rock and roll and what do you guys think about these songs. Guys, this is just literally the beta version that just dropped yesterday, and it's so good. I feel like AI is really going to shake up the music industry as it keeps getting better. And artists and producers are just going to have to use these tools in order to, I guess, stay in a competition. That's just my opinion. Again, I'm not trying to insinuate anything, but if you guys enjoyed these kind of tutorials, AI videos and stuff like that, please make sure to drop a like, a comment, and make sure to go over and follow me on X. I'm going to drop the link to my X account in the description. Make sure you give me a follow there. This is if you want to talk, if you want to ask me any questions, that's the best way to get in contact with me. So as always, have a great day, and thank you for watching.